That looks pretty good. Yeah. Woo! Okay. Done. Yes. It's a nice day for a swim.
Beautiful swimming day.
Yeah, good day for a swim.
Holy, you're a crazy man.
Yeah.
You're a crazy man. Holy fuck.
We're going for a swim.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are.
You're lying.
No, we were Cold Water Swim Club.
Yeah, here we are on the most miserable day of the year, Blue Monday, in this wonderful snowstorm.
Oh, the GO train's not going anywhere.
Yeah, the GO trains are held up. Looks like the streetcars are blocked, the GO trains are blocked. Nothing's moving. What a beautiful Blue Monday. All right, what a day for a swim. That's a tiring run, slogging through all this snow. Hey, how are you? It's a tough run through the snow.
Hi, Steve.
Hey,
How are you?
good. Yeah,
Base camp, Swim OP base camp.
yeah, Swim OP Base Camp.
That's it.
Swim OP Base Camp at the TeachBeach.
Yes, go for it. Woo! Here comes Steve running through the snow
Yes,
in a one-horse open sleigh.
yeah.
Oh, it's toasty.
Shake of water.
Oh, it's like an undertone. No big rocks there?
No big rock.
There we go. Oh yeah. Sit fresh. So deep, very close to the shore, right?
Yeah.
It's a, yeah.
Oh.